Friends, whenever we humans fall even a little sick, we immediately go to the doctor. But have you ever wondered what happens to the wild animals living in the jungle when they get sick? So in today's video, we will learn in detail about how these dangerous creatures deal with illness. And what you'll discover will truly surprise you. So, let's move toward the video. The oxpecker bird, found mostly in the vast grasslands and forests of Africa, is one of nature's most fascinating creatures, known for its unique relationship with large animals. This bird is often seen perched on the backs of buffaloes, antelopes, zebras, rhinos, camels, and even elephants. The oxpecker's main role is to feed on ticks, fleas, lice, and other blood-sucking parasites that live on the skin of these animals. By doing so, it not only gets its daily food, but also protects its host from various diseases that these parasites can cause, such as infections or blood loss. Using its sharp beak, the oxpecker moves across the animal's body, cleaning dirt and germs from wounds and helping them heal faster. The bird is also very alert and intelligent. When it senses danger or a predator approaching, it lets out a loud call to warn its host. This extraordinary bond is a beautiful example of mutualism in nature. The sea turtle is one of the oldest living creatures on Earth, having roamed the oceans for millions of years. Known for its hard shell, calm nature, and long lifespan, this majestic animal faces an interesting challenge. Over time, various parasites, algae, and barnacles attach themselves to its shell and skin. These small organisms grow on the turtle's body, adding extra weight and sometimes making it harder for the turtle to swim freely. They can also cause irritation or minor infections. However, nature has its own perfect system of balance. In the ocean, there are special types of fish known as cleaner fish. The tarantula spider is considered one of the largest and most dangerous spiders in the world, commonly found in warm and humid regions. Its body is covered with thick hairs that not only help it sense danger, but also serve as a defense mechanism. Although the tarantula's bite is venomous, it is usually not deadly to humans, but it can be extremely dangerous to its prey. This spider lives in burrows on the ground or in tree holes and usually comes out at night to hunt. It feeds on small lizards, mice, insects, and sometimes even birds. Interestingly, even though the tarantula can harm almost any creature, there is one tiny animal that it never attacks: a special type of frog. This small frog usually lives near the tarantula's burrow and stays close to its eggs. The tarantula does not harm it because the frog eats tiny insects and ants that could damage the tarantula's eggs. The pistol shrimp is one of the most fascinating and extraordinary creatures of the ocean, whose small size hides an incredible amount of power. It is usually found in warm ocean waters and is famous for its unique claw. One of its claws is much larger than the other, and this oversized claw is the source of its remarkable strength. When the pistol shrimp snaps this claw shut with great speed, it creates a powerful shock wave in the water, forming a bubble that bursts within a fraction of a second. The explosion produces a loud sound similar to a gunshot, which is why it is called the pistol shrimp. This sound is not just loud. The collapsing bubble also generates an extremely high temperature, momentarily reaching levels as hot as the surface of the sun. The resulting shockwave is strong enough to stun or kill small fish and insects nearby, allowing the shrimp to capture its prey easily. The pistol shrimp usually lives in burrows, hiding quickly when it senses danger. Fish and sea cucumbers are two of the most fascinating and unique creatures of the ocean, completely different in nature and behavior, yet sharing a remarkable relationship. The sea cucumber is a soft-bodied, elongated marine animal that usually lives on the ocean floor. It feeds by swallowing sand and mud, extracting nutrients from it, and then expelling the clean material, which helps keep the seabed and water environment clean. In this way, it plays a vital role in maintaining the ocean's balance. On the other hand, there is a small but clever fish known as the pearl fish, which has developed an extraordinary way to protect itself from predators. When danger approaches, the pearl fish quickly hides inside the body of the sea cucumber through its rear opening and stays there until the threat passes. Amazingly, the sea cucumber does not harm or reject